Listen.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This episode of Let's Sew is going to be of this blue long sleeve that I thrifted actually yesterday. So on Saturday, that's when I thrifted it. And I thrifted this pink jersey as well. And I also thrifted this black jersey. This is all going to be smashed into this long sleeve to create this color block sensation that you see in front of you today. A little bit of pink to kind of, I don't know, to change it up. But that's what we're going to be making in this Let's Sew. Now, this is the most tedious thing that I've ever sewn together, just because when you do color blocking, it's just a big mess from the start. I did not create a pattern. There's no technique that I've created from this. I just kind of had a blank canvas and went with it. So the way that I made this, it was just out of pure just randomness. There was no technique. There's no set path, no set design or anything like that. I just cut off a big chunk off the long sleeve. So from the chest down, I just cut out from side to side and then used that as a reference to create this design. Now, to kind of put everything together, really think about straight lines, because don't do any weird shapes or anything like that, because you're going to be sewing these pieces all together. So as long as you have a straight line from any of the variations of cuts that you make sure that it's a straight line so you can also put them back together. So that's basically it. It's not anything crazy or anything like that. Just put straight lines to straight lines, right sides together, sew them back together, and then sew it back to the final piece to create what seems to be a color block design. If you're planning to do this project, I suggest to take a day off, because it's a long process just to sew each piece together, and just make sure to plan it all out on pen and paper. Don't do it like me. I just went crazy. A lot more planning should go into this, because the design will look kind of weird if you don't. Anyways, so that is kind of like the overall design and thought process and whatnot. So let's actually get into this week's discussion. So the first thing we're going to be talking about today is the fact that Target dropped a streetwear looking brand in their stores. I actually went to a Target twice to look at the brand, and I actually like some of it. They have the standard ripped jeans, they got the standard biker jeans, they got the different colors like the blanks and whatnot, and they got the vaporwave aesthetics to some of the pieces. I would definitely check it out if you guys are not a big spender and you guys like to budget. I would definitely check out Target's streetwear brand. It's so weird. I'll put a link down below so you guys can check out like the whole collection. It's so crazy because now I don't have to go all the way to a mall. Like I would have to go to like H&M or Forever 21 or Urban Outfitters or shop online, streetwear startups subreddit. I usually go there sometimes to see what's up, what people are up to, and also check the subreddit for streetwear. So anyways, that's where that is. I don't know what you guys are going to think about it. I thought it was pretty interesting. I would definitely buy some basics. I wouldn't go into buying the whole collection or anything like that. Okay, before anyone thinks, I'm not sponsored by Target, but Target, if you're out there and you're hearing me, like, I love your stuff. I'm just kidding. Anyways, so the next topic we're going to be talking about is the whole satchel man purse trend. Is it okay? Is it awesome? What do you think about it? Me personally, I love my sling bag, over the shoulder bag, merce, whatever you may call it. I love it. And the reason why I love it is because I don't need to stuff so many things into my pockets. I don't like the bulk on my pants. Sometimes, I don't know how, there's some marks of the outline of whatever's in my pocket. Maybe my pants are too tight. That becomes a problem, but I love it. I like the fact that I can stuff everything possible. I can even stuff a camera, my cell phone, my wallet, some other stuff, a water bottle, a paper clip. I don't know. You can stuff everything in that bag. Well, depending on how big your bag is, of course. But I love it. And I like the fact that men have this accessory because I've always envied the fact that my girlfriend can stuff like 500 water bottles in her bag, have a wallet, her cell phone, and some other stuff that she decides to stuff into her bag. And it adds to her aesthetic, her outfit. For us, we got like bulky stuff in our pockets, or if you're just crazy, you just don't have any, you just go out just like that. I don't know. It really is awesome. I love it. I love the trend. I hope this trend stays forever. I know that back in the day, I think it was in the 90s, fanny packs were such a big thing. You got your chapstick in there. You got whatever other stuff that people would stuff in their fanny pack. I love the fact that there's over the shoulder stuff for guys, or just accessories like bags and whatnot, just because we have stuff too, and I don't want to stuff all my stuff in my girlfriend's bag because I'm pretty sure she's annoyed. So that's awesome. I just want you guys' opinion on over the shoulder bags, messenger bags. I think that they're also called fanny packs sometimes, sling bags, whatever it may be. They got the different variations. So let me know what you guys think about those. Those are my favorites. I'm gonna buy a lot more. I'm gonna customize some. I think I'm gonna make some from scratch. It's all in the planning stages. And the last thing we're gonna talk about today is the trend of paint splattered jeans. Apparently, this is a big thing that I just have no say in. This kind of boils my skin a little bit, and I'm not the type of person to be mad at anything. You can literally like cut up my favorite pair of socks, and I'll be okay. I just buy a new pair, but I don't know, this paint splattered jeans or pants, it really rubs me the wrong way as a designer. I don't know why. I'm usually like very open-minded about these things, but this one doesn't really sit with me well. Maybe if I get a pair and wear it out, maybe when people look at me and wonder if I'm a painter, then I will have some sort of fulfillment. But for now, I don't know how I feel about the paint splattered jeans slash pants. I really want you guys' opinion on this. It's weird because people spend $200+ on a pair of jeans like this when they can just go out, ask a buddy, hey, are you painting your house? No, but go there and proceed to paint his house and get it all over your jeans so you can have the same aesthetics of this trend. What I'm trying to get at this actually is the fact that this is where we're heading. And I don't know if I'm okay with that, but I'm open to new ideas. Maybe I just need some time. Time to think about it. Time for someone to gift me these pair of jeans or pants and try it on and feel kind of dirty and right at the same time. But as always, I value you guys' opinion as I always do. And if you guys made it this far, we are officially done with today's Let's Sew. I just want to say thank you for all the support if you guys have not done so already. And if you would like to support the channel, I do have a Patreon now. If you guys want to be a part of my future Let's Sews and have your shout outs, I'm doing that once again. So I would definitely like you to check out my Patreon, and that would help me out and support me as an individual. So that's let me know what you guys think about any of the topics. I'll also link them down below, and I'll also would like to know what you guys think about the long sleeve. So drop that down in the comment section below. If you have not done so, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I try to post more pictures, if anything. It's at kenandrewdaily. But thanks for watching, guys. You guys mean the world to me, and I will love to see you guys next time. Peace.